In this video we're going to talk about picture compositing. We are going to take this guy out of this picture and we will place him in different backgrounds. We will try to match him with the surroundings with the new background, and to make him look as good as possible, and possibly to make him look as if he was there in the original image, not added afterwards. So the first thing that you need to do is to make a quality selection around him, because the better selection you make, it will look better when you paste him to another background. First of all, I will share with you this action that I have. This is a clipping action. It's not very useful, just something that I use to make my life easier when I'm doing this kind of things. You can enable it from here, click here and click play, or just click the F4 button and you will get these two additional layers. I use this because I will show you how, for example, if you make a quick selection around the subject, for example, it doesn't work only with the quick selection, it works with every selections. So you make a selection and you click on the mask tool and you see how it looks when you get it separated from the background. This is why I'm using this red layer in between. Okay, so this quick selecting doesn't work very good. I suggest that you make a high quality selection using the pen tool, not the quick selection tool, and I will make such selection with the pen tool, but I'm going to fast forward it real fast so that you don't waste any time watching me do this. So I'm going to start making the selection right now. Okay, and now because this image is not very sharp, as you see, and you probably noticed in the image as I was cutting out around this guy, it was little blurred, so we're going to use little bigger radius, maybe 1 pixel. Okay, again, I didn't make precise selection, I did a fairly quick selection because I don't want to waste your time for nothing. And I'm going to add a mask like this. I will invert the mask because we need the guy, not the background. We need to remove this inner part between the arms, so I'm going to do this like this. Again, I'm just trying to make a smooth selection, not a precise one. When you do this for a client, you must do everything precisely. Don't rush it at all. Don't do it like I'm doing. Do it like I'm saying that you should be doing. Okay, make selection, again 1 pixel. This is why I'm making inversion of the selection, because automatically it gets selected this part, and we need this part inside. So we need to select inverse, and now only this part is selected, and you can either paint it with black color like this, or click Shift and Backspace and choose black color. Okay, we do the same thing with this part here. Okay, so now we have the guy selected, and we are going to use this image. I'll delete this and this also, and we are going to use this image to paste him into the other images like this. Okay, let's make a break here. See you in the next video.